Alright, this is Batman the Dark Knight. Just doing another review of another package I got. Came in the door today. So I just said I'd do a quick review. Unboxing, so I'll just get to it. It's going to be a short review. I'm not sure how many of them there is online of this particular takeover. I purchased the 1988 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles because I used to have these as a kid and everything just disappears on me. I had them all in the attic and the mother or father say they don't know where any of my stuff is. To me that is a mystery. I had all my Star Wars figures, they're all gone, so I'm finding myself buying them all on eBay again. But yeah, good Nick. Leonardo. As far as I know, these guys come with weapons as well, so there's one sword. Yep, let's see if I can get the other one in a sec. There's Raph. Perfect Nick he is. One of his too. Oh no, I think he only gave me one weapon each. I was hoping for two. Donatello. But he only does have one weapon, so that's alright. The only one who's complete, I suppose. They were always bastards that posed their legs. And Michelangelo. So yeah, try to stand them up and give you a view of them. So yeah, just be back in a sec. So here they are all displayed now. I'm glad I bought these figures. As I say, they're a blast from the past. I used to have so much more than just these four, but I'm glad to have them back in my collection. They're not the actual original 88 figures. They don't have the soft heads. They've actually got hard heads. But yeah, as I said, glad I bought them. Great Nick. I got them off a guy on eBay called Thundercat BT. He specialises in turtles figures. So yeah, I'd highly recommend him if you're looking for some of these figures. Yeah, so go check him out. But yeah, I definitely get these if you're a Turtles fan and you don't have them. These are the ones that have I don't know what else to say. Oh yeah, I've got the original belts with them as well, which I'm very happy Thundercat sent me. Sorry. Yeah, the original belts that actually hold. They have the holsters for the weapons, so I'm glad I have them too. But yeah, thanks for watching and comment and subscribe.